the scripts. Okay, let me show you. And guys, as you can see, all scripts are successful. What's up people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. Open your official profile on your browser and just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our Roblox user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select on button and select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and remove websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website. For this AP connected, nice, just click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete a simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see. Let's test this. Does it actually work? Okay, so let me play Grow Garden. Okay, let's see, guys. So we have this panel, okay, and this is exactly Delta Executor. So we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Click on home button, and guys, all scripts are added successfully, so you can search the scripts. Okay, let me show you. And guys, as you can see, all scripts are added successfully. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.